I'm going to be solving this problem, the Finding Nemo Edabit in Java. So the question reads, you're given a string of words, and you need to find the word Nemo, and return a string like this. I found Nemo, and at the index. And if you can't find it, then returns I can't find Nemo. So in some of the examples, like the first one, we show that you can find it in the fourth index, and this one the first, and this one the second. So to solve this problem, you need to first put each word into a string array of words that's equal to the sentence called split, and we're splitting at the space. So then each space will get split and then go into the array. So now to find the index, we're going to need a for loop. So for in I equals 0, I is less than the sentence dot length, and increment I. Okay, so now this part, every time it runs, it's gonna keep going until it matches the string Nemo. So then we'll add an if statement. So if it finds it at the words at the index of I, if it equal to the word Nemo, and all we have to add is the index, and then add 1 to it, because in the example, if we have our array of 4, then it's at index 3, so you have to add an extra one, and we have to add the exclamation mark, and that's good. And if you doesn't find it, then you have to return this string. It says I can't find Nemo. And now we're gonna run the code. Okay, so I found the error. So here was this part. It was sentence, and I forgot it was actually the words dot length.